How to delete Ticketmaster account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Can we delete our Ticketmaster account? Let's go ahead and find out. For this, you can head over to sign in into your Ticketmaster application, or you can head over to www.ticketmaster.com in a preferred browser. So right over here, if you have logged in into your Ticketmaster account, you will see that there is no such option as deactivate or delete. So in this case, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal line that is in your left hand corner, then head over to my profile. You can also select on your profile option that is at the top of the dashboard. So right here, if you go ahead and check it out, you will see that there are options to update your password or account information, but there is no such option as delete or deactivate. This is because there is no any direct option in which you can actually delete your account. So what we can actually do in this case is we can tap on our profile icon at the top. From here, you need to click on the option of sign out. This will limit the activity of your account and also make the account inactive. And this is the only way since there is no any delete or deactivation option for your Ticketmaster. We hope that you found it informative to you and thank you so much for tuning in.